Well, I've left my roots in more than half a dozen places between here and the Pyrenees, and I've worn out my soles and broken both of my laces as if I had become a walking tree. What are all these roots for if they're constantly uprooted? What value in the travel, in the toil? Well, my spirit is a pilgrim, and it always keeps me moving and digging just to find the perfect soil. But what are all these roots for anyway, if they never have the time to dig in? Well, I stand by what I said when I left West Virginia. Said I hope I'll never feel this way again. Who's the gardener of my feeble leaves and branches, who rips me from the dirt year after year? Well, I'm afraid that I have had my share of chances, that the gardener greets me daily in the mirror. So maybe I'm a sadist, or maybe I'm a wanderer, or maybe I'm a migrant bird. Maybe I'm a pilgrim with a mind made to ponder and feet made to tread across the world. But what are all these roots for anyway, if they never have the time to dig in? Well, I stand by what I said when I left North Carolina. Said I hope I'll never feel this way again. What a gift to live a life with things worth missing. What a blessing in the ache. And oh, how clear when we hear that train a whistling. We come all of the ones we have at stake. What are all these roots for anyway, if they never have the time to dig in? Well, I stand by what I said when I left old Castile. Said I hope someday I'll feel this way again. Thank you.